Welcome back to the WatchGecko YouTube channel. Today we are proud to announce the launch of the all-new workshop range to the Geckota watches collection. The workshop range perfectly demonstrates our values in experimentation through unique offerings in extremely limited numbers and produced with the Geckota community in mind. We will be encouraging feedback and dialogue from workshop range owners to evolve this unique collection together and create something truly special. We are debuting the Geckota workshop range with the addition of two new complications to the Geckota collection: a mechanical hand-wound chronograph and a mechanical automatic jump hour, both housed in the same 37mm vintage style case with elongated lugs to allow for modern wear. These watches are designed to balance classic 1930s design cues with modern wearability, and to offer something unique at this price point. We aim to provide a genuinely satisfying wear experience, achieved through choices such as the heavily domed acrylic crystal, which provides the charm and warm glow of a genuine vintage watch, all while allowing the price point to be lower without compromising in build quality. Both of these watches feature seagull mechanical movements. Our W-01 is powered by the TY2709 jumping hour movement, and features an instant jump hours disc at 12 and a subdial at 6 for the seconds hand. While the W-02 is powered by the legendary ST19 column wheel chronograph, a movement which Seagull bought the designs for from Switzerland's Venus movement manufactory in the 1960s, which has become widely popular due to its amazing balance of quality and price. As mentioned previously, the W-01 and W-02 have been created in limited production numbers, ensuring exclusivity and meticulous quality control checks. Less than 50 watches per version have been made in this production run, and each watch is individually numbered. Make sure to explore the many details these watches have to offer on the watch listings, such as delicately heat blued hands, finely textured dials, and even the addition of a new logo to the Geckota range. And also, don't forget to join the community today by becoming a member in the Geckota Owners Club Facebook group, and get involved in watch development discussions, see behind the scenes, and even take advantage of Owners Club special offers and additions. Thanks for watching. Let us know your thoughts on the new workshop range in the comments below, and subscribe for more.